Today we're using hair from Ft.DSoar hair. I have 3 bundles of 20, 22, 24. This is Brazilian curly hair, and it's really soft Brazilian curly hair. It's not that crunchy. I guess people are switching up. Before I used to get that crunchy Brazilian curly, but this is like the really soft kind of Brazilian curly. But not that soft that's gonna man up on you and be like baby doll hair. It's like a pretty soft. So I don't know. I'm feeling the Brazilian curlies these days. But yeah, this is a really pretty Brazilian curly. I can get my fingers through it, and when I take it off, unravel the track, it's not gonna be all tangled and twisted up like usually when it's that hard. And I know you know what I'm talking about when it's hard and that stuck pattern, and when you unravel it, it gets all tangled and stuff at the bottom. But this, I can unravel it, you know, very easily. Yeah, so it's really nice hair. I'm really feeling it. So today what we're gonna do is a glueless quick weave with the wrap papers, so she can kind of wear it versatile since it's still summertime. We're still on our summer, get out the water, hair, low maintenance, low heat. So this is something that anybody could wear without using any heat on their hair with using this curly hair. So she's not gonna wear a part for this quick weave, so I'm gonna section out a part of her hairline. And I'm gonna use some foam and twist it up a little bit so she doesn't have to put heat on her hair to blend in her hair. Since she has some nice curly hair already, we're gonna use those curls to our advantage. So after I part this off, I'm gonna braid it up. I'm gonna put some wrap strips on. I'm gonna put a cap on. I don't have a black cap. I don't know what happened to it, but I have a new cap, but it's the same difference. It's just a cap, a wood cap. And I'm gonna put that on, and I'm gonna sew down the cap, cut off the excess cap, and then lay the tracks on. And this foam, I just got this foam from Nairobi. But it's a Nairobi foam. I really like their foam. I've been using it for a couple of years now. So I'm gonna spray some spritz on there because it has alcohol and it'll help the tracks hold better. Plus I put some oil in her scalp, so it kind of seeped a little bit on the wrap strips. So this always helps tracks to stick better in these type of situations. Kind of put a little coating on it. Kind of doing this a little off center because she want to flip it a certain way. So I'm bringing it more to the opposite side that she wants to flip to, so she can get a little height up in there.
Well, you got a bald spot.
So I'm just using this little bit of edge control to put a little bit of baby hair on there, not a lot, just a little bit. So we want this to be very natural and pretty, not too much. So. So make sure you guys check out Ft.DSoar hair. This is some really pretty hair. I really love the curl. It looks really pretty on her. It blended in with her hair really well. So make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you follow their Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Filthy Rich Tresses and like my Facebook page. And make sure you like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment or question. Thank you all for watching.